Hello everyone. Today I am here with the series of exercise question answer, and here you have the question answer of chapter number 2, that is nutrition in animals. The first one is fill in the blanks. Number A, the main steps of nutrition in humans are. The answer is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. These 5 steps of nutrition which takes place in humans. Number 2, the largest gland in the human body is. As you know, the largest gland of human body is liver. Number 3, the stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on food. Number 4, the inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called villi. And the last one, amoeba digests its food in the food vacuole. Second question for you is mark D if the statement is true and F if it is false. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. This is completely a false statement. The digestion of starch starts in our buccal cavity. Number B, the tongue helps in the mixing food with saliva. It's completely true. The answer would be true. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. This is also a true statement. And the last one we have, the ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. All the ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth for some time and then chew it again, and this process is called rumination. So the statement is true. Right now we have question number 3. Tick S mark the correct answer in each of the following. Fat is completely digested in the small intestine. Number 3, small intestine. And number B, water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the large intestine. The water of the food is absorbed by the large intestine. In number 4, we have match the column. We have to match the items of column first with those in column second. So we have in column first food components, and in column second this is product of digestion, like carbohydrate changes into sugar. Carbohydrate changes into sugar. Proteins changes into amino acid. Proteins changes into amino acid. Carbohydrate changes into sugar, and fats changes into fatty acids or glycerols. Fats changes into fatty acids or glycerols. Next we have, what are villi? What is their location and function? The finger-like outgrowths in the inner walls of the small intestine is called villi. These are found in our small intestine. The function of villi is to increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Question number 6 we have, where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Bile is produced in liver. The bile juice is stored in sac called gallbladder, and it helps in the digestion of fats. The liquid or the basic liquid which is formed by the liver is stored in gallbladder, which act on the fats to digest it into fatty acids or glycerols. Now the next we have question number 7. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reasons also. Students, cellulose is the form of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants. Ruminants have large sac-like structure between the small intestine and large intestine, which is called cecum, and the cellulose of the food is digested by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in the humans. Number next, why do we get instant energy from glucose? Because it easily breaks down in the cell with the help of oxygen, which provides instant energy, to the organisms, and glucose doesn't need to digest, it is directly absorbed into the blood. Number 9 we have which part of the digestive canal is involved in it. Number 1, absorption of food. It takes place in small intestine. Number 2, chewing of food. It is in mouth. Killing of bacteria in stomach. Complete digestion of food in small intestine. And formation of feces. It is in large intestine. Number 10, write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. The digestive juices in amoeba are secreted into food vacuoles, and in human beings the digestive juices are secreted in stomach and small intestine. Then the juices convert complex food into simpler, soluble and absorbable substances. And the major difference is amoeba captures the food with the help of its pseudopodia and engulf it, while in human beings food is taken place by the mouth. Now we have to match the column. Salivary gland, its answer would be saliva secretion. Stomach, acid release. Liver, bile juice secretion. Rectum, storage of undigested food or feces. Small intestine, digestion is completed, and in large intestine, absorption of food. In the given figure, you have to label the various part of it. You can see the diagram, and here its various parts like a stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. And here we have the last question. Can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables or grass? Discuss. We know that the animals, fungi, bacteria, and green plants and human beings do not have the ability to make their own food. They depend upon autotrophs for their food directly or indirectly. The green plants trap solar energy and make their own food in the form of glucose, so we can say that the leafy vegetables and grass can provide sufficient energy to help us survive. Students, this was the last question of this exercise, and that's all in this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.